Your cat eyes look through a shadow somewhere in the past. Heat on the bushes, hope with a leaf. The veil has fallen, the future's here. Now there's more heavens clear than what we saw before in the depth of all our soul. Sunlight would touch with warmth on skin. Through the rust, a tunnel of shadows in, with a rope on the ground. Imagery plays in my mind. Your cat eyes are never blind. Someday, walking through the northern countryside, in this solemn fear, no one here, just the dream of the past. Spirits die away and the air is as still as the night is black. Your cat eyes see right through. Your cat eyes making my love blue. Your cat eyes in disguise, now that I'm feeling you. Come hither through the backyard of a dark valley of gold. Run rampant passion, slam against the wall, breaking everything that touches, and the skies fall. Baby, it's your fault. Putting walls upon torment, reaching wide, it's only an image in your mind. Those days have died, windy vine flew like a feather in skies. Your cat eyes in the graveyard. Your cat eyes with the voodoo of the cross and the dark. Your cat eyes like a zombie or a monster or a drowning mermaid lost. You're the one in the future's love, slyly slipping through the cracks. Satan's coming, he is back before the soldiers fall. Put up arms and call the war between the heavens and darkness, more of a ploy for your own war. Your cat eyes know now this world's changing. Your cat eyes have heard the sun